Yes, hi children, good morning to all. Today in this video class we are going to discuss about demonstrative adjectives, or we may call them as articles. See this example, I have a pen, I have an apple, I have a pen, I have an apple. This is the place I lost my pen. Yes children, see the three examples I have written on the blackboard. You may find the articles here. In the very first one, I have a pen. Yes, could you? This is A. Go for the second one, I have an apple. Yes, it is. And then the third example, this is the place where I lost my pen. So here it is the. These are called articles. On the basis of their function, they are categorized under two groups. One is indefinite, the other one is definite. Why it is so? Yes, there are two types of articles. One is definite article, the other one is indefinite article. Look at the first example, I have a pen. This is a pen. This is indefinite. I am not particularizing that pen. I have any type of pen. See, I have an apple. This is also indefinite because there are apples, maybe Jammu Kashmir, Delhi, or anywhere else. Go for this one. This is the place where I lost my pen. This is where the exact place where I lost my pen. Here I stress the here I particularize the place. So children, when we particularize the things, that is definite article. When we don't know or any, that is indefinite article. Let us, in this video, let us discuss about indefinite articles. Yeah, as you know, there are two. One is a, the other one is an. Let us see this example. In indefinite articles, we have two. One is a, the other one is an. See, a pen, a book, a box, a bus, a car. So the initial sound of each word, here it is per sound, here it is b sound, here it is also b sound, here it is also b sound, here it is k sound. All the sounds are consonantal sounds. Consonantal sounds. You know vowel sounds and consonants. Consonantal sounds andre ವ್ಯಂಜನದಿಂದ ಉಂಟಾಗತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಧ್ವನಿಗಳು ಅಂತ. We have totally 26 letters. Among the 26 letters there are 21 consonant letters. 21 consonant letters ಇದಾವೆ. ಈ 21 consonant letters ಇಂದ we have 24 consonantal sounds. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ ಅಂತ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬ ಅಂತ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಇದೆ. ಅಗೇನ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಈಸ್ ಬ, ಅಗೇನ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಈಸ್ ಕ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಿ ದಿಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಯುರೋಪಿಯನ್, useful book. The initial sound of this word European, this is, even though it starts with the vowel letter E. ಇದನ್ನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಗಮನಿಸಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಇದು ವಾವೆಲ್ ಲೆಟರ್ ಈದಿಂದ ಆರಂಭ ಆಗಿದ್ದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಇಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ ಎ. ಕಾರಣ ಇಷ್ಟೇ, ದ ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಬಿಗಿನಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ವರ್ಡ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಯು, ನಾಟ್ ಇ. ಅಗೇನ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಯೂಸ್ಫುಲ್, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಯು, ನಾಟ್ ಅ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ ಎ. ಸಿ ದೀಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್: an hour, an ink pen, an egg, an orange, an honest man, an honorable man. Why it is not a here? Illi yake a use madlilla? It's very important. See there, and our h is going to be silent here. Illi h silent agutte, though it started with a ಕಾನ್ಸೋನೆಂಟ್. ಇದರಿಂದ ಆರಂಭ ಆಗಿದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಉಚ್ಚಾರಣೆ ಆಗದೆ ಇರೋ ಕಾರಣ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ವಿ ಟೇಕ್ ದ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್. ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ಇಂಕ್ ಪೆನ್. ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾವೆಲ್ ಲೆಟರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ವಾವೆಲ್ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಇ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಸೌಂಡ್, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಆ ಸೌಂಡ್, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಸೈಲೆಂಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಆನೆಸ್ಟ್, ಆ ಸೌಂಡ್, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ honorable. So the thing is, when the word starts with a consonantal sound, we have to use a. When the word starts with a vowel sound, we have to take the use of an. No matter irrespective of the letter of the beginning letter of the word, whether it is consonant or the vowel, the thing is you have to go for the pronunciation or the sound. Based on that, we have to fill a or an. Let's do an exercise here. I will write some examples on the blackboard. Exam alli ee ರೀತಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಂದಿಷ್ಟು ವಾಕ್ಯಗಳನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. There is dash ox. Second one, Ramu buys dash pen for me. Third one, she is dash Indian. Fourth one, he is dash European. Fifth one, I read dash novel. Sixth one, they eat dash orange. Yes, now children, it's time for you to fill in the blank with the suitable, whether it is a or an. Exam alli ರೀತಿ ವಾಕ್ಯಗಳನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಫಿಲ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಸುಟೇಬಲ್ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಆವಾಗ ನೀವು ತುಂಬ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಯು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಚರ್ಚೆ ಮಾಡಿದಂತಹ ವಿಷಯಗಳನ್ನು ಗಮನದಲ್ಲಿಟ್ಟುಕೊಂಡು ಎಸ್ ನೌ ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಪಿಲ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್. ದೇರ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಆಕ್ಸ್, ಆ ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಈಸ್ ಆ್ಯನ್ ಆಕ್ಸ್. ರಾಮು ಬೈಸ್, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ consonantal sound here, per, so Ramu buys a pen. She is dash Indian, again it is vowel sound here, Indian, so you have to fill in the blank with an. She is an Indian. He is dash European. See children here, even though this word starts with a vowel letter E, but the pronunciation of this word, this is U. So U, it is not a vowel sound, this is the consonantal sound. So for this you have to go for A. I read, again it is novel, na, this is not vowel sound, this is consonantal sound. So for this go for A. They eat, see this is orange, this is vowel sound. So here you have to go for an orange. Thank you children. I think you got the idea about using the indefinite article a or an. Thank you children.